What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking Time with Johnny. Today we have a 16 bean soup. That's right. This is a classic country dish. Here are your ingredients. As you can see, they're listed below. Go ahead and pause it if you need to. This is a dish that is perfect for hot weather, cold weather, whenever you want it. This is the dish. Are you ready? It's looking good to me. Let's go! All right, guys, to a Dutch oven, you are going to add your 16 beans. That's right. This has got all sorts of beans in there. This is going to be amazing. You can get them with seasoning. I just have the regular bag here of mixed variety. To this, we're going to add in about 4 cups to 6 cups of water. We want a good 2 inches above the beans here just because we are going to let this soak. Now, once we had it soak, you're going to add this to heat and just get them some boiling. Once it's been boiling for a couple of minutes, go ahead, put your cover and just let those puppies sit anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. Take it off of the heat and let it sit. Don't do anything else. All right, while that's doing, go ahead, feel free to chop up your onion. That's right. Again, it doesn't matter. You can have big chunks. You can have little diced onions. It's however you want for consistency inside your soup. Me, I just give them a rough chop, as you can see here. Chopping these puppies up whichever way, get them in the soup because this is just going to add that nice little onion flavor to it. Not overpowering. Like I said, this is 1 onion. Now we're going to come in with 2 celery stalks. Go ahead and chop these up. You want them kind of thin, not too thick. As you can see right here, I'm keeping them roughly about a ½ inch, roughly. So just chop them all up and get them added. And don't forget, that's right, best part of being a cook is you get to taste test everything. All right, now we're going to deal with some garlic. We're going to dice this up. You want to have a small dice to these garlic cloves. That's right. I think we're using 2 to 3 cloves here. You could use more, you can use less. Just get a nice rough chop in here. So you can see me doing right here, guys. Clean that off a knife. Yeah, this stuff smells good already. All right, now that you had these beans soaking in some warm water, that's right, you're going to take them, add some cubes of butter here. That's right, get it all going. Sorry about that splash back up into the camera here, guys, but you know what, melt down this butter till you get a good melted consistency like you see here, and then go ahead and add in all of your onions, your celery, your garlic. Get it all in there. Just gonna give this a good stirring, guys. Just keep stirring. You're gonna want to saute this down, not to a full cook, because like I said, we are going to be adding in the next ingredients here, guys. So just a stir. All right, now you're going to come in with a full ham hock. Just drop that in there. That's right. This is going to render down so good in the future. Now, add in all your beans and give everything a good mixing. That's right. Yes, these beans are not 100% cooked. That's right. They've only been sitting in the hot water for roughly an hour. Now you're going to go ahead and add in your cups of chicken stock. That's right. Same thing. You got 4 cups here. Just keep adding it in, guys. And then what you're going to want to do is you want these beans to be covered. So give a good mix. Make sure everything is equal in the pan, covered. You may even have to do what I'm about to do here. Add in just a little bit of water just to cover the beans. You want everything covered completely. Give it a good stir again. That's right. It's a soup. You're going to have stirring. That's what we do here. All right, now we're going to hit it with the seasoning. That's right. Get your coarse sea salt in there. This is my Johnny's Tennessee seasoning, along with some Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to come in and hit it with my favorite smoked paprika. You're going to need that smoked paprika. That sets the dish, makes the dish. It renders all together. Trust me, this is going to start smelling amazing once it gets cooking. And guys, just give this a good mixing. Incorporate all the seasoning, all the vegetables. Just give it a good stirring. Then you're going to cover it. That's right. Pop that on the cover and then put this right into the oven at 350 and let it sit. Now, this is what you're seeing 2 hours in. Stir it in. As you can see, it's already thickened up quite a bit. That ham hock is cooking off nicely. Just mix it all in here. Sorry about all that steam, guys. I guess I was a little closer to the camera than I thought, but this is smelling amazing. Put that cover back on and back into the oven, guys, for 350 degrees for 2 more hours. All right. 2 hours have come and passed. Take a look. It's already getting pretty thick. I forgot to tell you, by the way, put in some bay leaves in there as well. Forgot to show you that step, but yeah, very important. If you haven't added them already, that's okay. Add them right now because this is going to go back in and cook for another 2 hours, guys. This is a low and slow soup. Let it cook. Now we're going in, adding some of our stewed tomatoes. That's right. Get this can open. Take a look at these tomatoes. I love them. I love the red gold tomatoes. They're just my favorite brand. All right, within the last hour here, guys, we are going to take these stewed tomatoes and put them in here. That's right. Take both cans, dump them in, and then you're going to give them a good stirring that you're going to see right here. Why the last hour? Because you don't want them overcooked. You still want them to have most of their consistency, and tomatoes will cook off quick. So just give it a good stir, incorporate everything, and it's very important. This step right here, as you can see, I'm coming in with a spoon, stirring it with a smaller spoon, but that's not the important part. Taste test. That is the best. Here's where you're going to add the salt. I needed more salt, but that's all I needed. Everything else was perfectly balanced. So add more salt, add, more pepper, whatever you need to do to make it your dish, do it. But mine came out perfect. It is good to go. Put that cover back on and put it back in the oven for the last hour, and you'll be good to go. Here we go. Final result. Take a look at this, guys. Oh my God. Stirring this, look at that. Fall off the bone. That's right. What ham hock? There's nothing. It fell off the bone, guys. That's right. Low and slow for a good 6 hours. You could go longer if you wanted to. I just did it because the kids were getting hungry, so I said good. Fell off the bone. It's ready to go. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. Put this in a bowl. Take a look at that. If you ain't ever had a 16-bean soup, try it. I strongly recommend. This is perfect. You can have it for wintertime, whatever, but I love it. Bowl. Hey! Man, one day I'm going to get some food. But guys, there you have it. 16-bean soup. Thank you for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, guys. Really do appreciate it. Home of simple, fun, and delicious recipes. Please be sure to click like and subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks, guys.